Section 3.31-T. Recently, a random sample of 13 to 18-year-olds was asked, how much do you currently have in savings? The data in the table represent the responses to the survey. We want to approximate the mean and standard deviation amount of savings. First column, we have our savings, which represents our classes. Frequency column, you can see here. We want to be able to use technology to calculate the sample mean, rounding to the nearest whole number. So what we want to do is we want to first pull up the data in StatCrunch. So let's go ahead and pull up the data in StatCrunch. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to be able to first take a look at the data here, saying that the first column represents the savings in classes. Then we have our lower limit column, our upper limit column, and then our frequency column. So it says here, if necessary, enter the summarized data in the spreadsheet. We don't need to do that because it's already pulled that data in. And then we're going to select stat, and then summary stats, and then go to grouped binned data as it's stated in step number 2. Now it says choose the column that contains the class under the bins. So that means the classes. The classes are located in savings. Okay, and then choose the column that contains the frequencies and the counts in, and that represents the frequency. Okay, and then here it says midpoints defined by the average of. We want to select consecutive lower limits. And then what we want to do is then select the mean and then the standard deviation, and then select compute. So you can see here is the information, and then here it is copy and pasted. So we have a mean rounded to the nearest dollar is at 250. So we have X bar is equal to 250 because that is the sample mean. And then we have the standard deviation at $236. So S is equal to 236, so therefore the sample standard deviation is 236